Hello, this is my first video. I'm going to be teaching you the basics of BlueJ, which is JavaScript. And here we go. You have to download this, which is BlueJ. It's easy enough to do. And then start a new class. We're going to name it Hello World. Click. Right. So all this is just like a template. Helps you along, blah blah blah, but we're going to delete it all. Then we're going to start off using the curly one. That automatically gets the bottom one, and then we're going to have the program print out hello world. This means there's an error. That's because we've written nothing in it. So we're going to go for we have to write public static void name string. These two args are a string of Argentina. Don't know why. Well, it just looks like it. And then your next one, you do another curly one. And then do another space or return. And we'll do a class. Hello world. Yeah. Then what we do sorry, system dot out dot print ln print line. You do your if you ever use Python, it's nearly the same, but I find this one easier. You do hello world. Do your and always you have to put one of these at the end. Let's see how this works. Compile is basically see if everything's alright. Something's wrong here. I'll figure out what this is. That's one. Right. Something's wrong here. That's because if you've got one, you always have to have a second one, so we'll do a second one. Compile, system out, right, something's wrong here, I think it's a capital S. Compile, nothing's come up. Have a look, there's your file there. It's got no lines on it, so if we put an E in, that means there's something wrong. But compile, that'll come up here, you have a look, see what it is. It's telling you does not exist, and that's going to be, that means you just can't open the file. So basically take the capital E back out, you have to do that, it's gone. Then you close it, and then void main, just ignore that and press OK, and it will say hello world. Ta-da! So we go back into it, we can mess about with it. Hello world. My name is James, and I am amazing. That's stupid. I'll just put my name is James. Yeah. We do it again, see if there's anything wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. Look, it's like that. Close that. Ta-da! It will come up your second one, but if you are clear it, will just clear it. turn that off. So if we want to do other things, add numbers. Just make a few lines. Numbers is integer, which is a whole number. You put a equals 20, just put 22, and that has to go at the end. So actually we just got to take this out for a minute. Yep, do that. And then we go, if you want a decimal number, because that's a whole, integers are a whole number, double and b equals 2.9, it could be any number, 2. Whatever. And then your string, these two are red, the int and double are red, but for some reason string stays black. So C equals I always do a space here because it prints out, you don't want the decimal number, actually do that again, so we do my favourite rock band, My Chemical Romance, cool, then do a space, and then that. Let's see what happens here then. So we go here. Oh, no, because that's wrong. It sounds really. Well, we do it anyway. So we got A plus C. See what happens. Yeah. So we close that. See what I mean? So if they're stuck together, the way to do that is open it up again, do a space here, and then we do it. This is a right click, by the way. Void main, just ignore that. There we go, it's made a space. So if we wanted to make one that actually makes any sense, we could put My Chemical Romance, something, say 22 or 2.9. We could make another string, so if we want to put a number in between the two Ross's, we just do string D equals albums, amazing albums. See where I'm coming from? Yeah. Or just like that. Alright, let's see if that works. That's coming through is good. Fuck, oh, sorry. Let's do this. So we got, take this away. Whatever order you want to put all these in the system out print line, you basically go, so what string do we want? We want C first, and then a number, so plus. Can't put 2.9, so you go put A plus D. Good. So I love playing about with there we go. My Chemical Romance are cool. Don't even make sense. Alright, you get the gist anyway. And have 22 of these numbers. We could change that. We could times it as well. So we put, let's try this one. So times is this little star. it says A times, I've never tried this, A, so it's 22 times 22, is that going to work? It might actually, we'll try. Whatever 22 times 23 is. 22 times 22 is 484. Micrograms all and have, they're going to live to about 126. Alright, so you just mess about doing that. And that's your first lesson in Java. If you want to go do it again, there's loads of complicated things, but basically you need your class, which means you're opening something, maybe this folder, then you put your curly brackets. There's a difference between these and these, obviously. That's a curly bracket, that's a curved bracket, that's a square bracket. You know what, I can't remember what the hell that's called. Parenthesis, maybe, I don't know. But every time you do one of these variables, you always need these. And at the top, these are always facing that way. So it looks like a bird, really, beak and wings. And the bottom two are string. If you do a small string, that's going to tell you. If you have a look. So just make sure it's like that. And there we go. There's your first lesson in JavaScript. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to, what do YouTubers say? Remember to comment and like at the bottom. No swear words. And don't put a hate. That thumbs down thing. Thank you. I'm James, and I'll see you soon.